Episode 14 After St Francis Xavier's death. Hello everyone. In our previous episodes, we explored the remarkable life and missionary work of St Francis Xavier. Today, we dwell into the crucial phase after his passing, the continuation of the Jesuit mission in Asia and enduring spread of Christianity in the regions he visited. Continuation of Jesuit mission in Asia. Following St. Francis Xavier's passing, the Jesuit mission in Asia continued. Propelled by the foundation laid by St. Xavier's extensive work, his legacy and the foundation he established acted as a cornerstone for the continuation and expansion of Christian missions in the region. Jesuit missionaries continued Xavier's work. Dedicated Jesuit missionaries, inspired by Xavier's commitment, continued to spread Christianity in the region he had visited. They navigated diverse cultural landscapes, facing challenges similar to those Xavier encountered. Expansion of Christian communities. The legacy of Xavier's work and the efforts of the Jesuit missionaries led to the gradual expansion of Christian communities in the region he had visited. Their teachings and influence contributed to the growth of Christianity among diverse populations. Cultural adaptation and language learning. Jesuit missionaries, following Xavier's example, invested in cultural adaptation and language learning. This approach facilitated better communication of the Christian message, enabling them to resonate with the local population. Continuation of education and social initiatives. The focus on education and social initiatives established by Xavier continued as Jesuit missionaries set up schools, hospitals, and other charitable institutions. These efforts furthered the impact of Christianity on societal development. Christian influences in various spheres. The impact of Christianity expanded beyond religious boundaries, influencing art, culture, education, and ethics in the regions where Xavier and subsequent Jesuits had visited. St. Francis Xavier's mission work had a lasting impact, shaping the foundation for the enduring presence and growth of Christianity in the regions he visited. His legacy was pivotal in guiding the subsequent Christian missions. The works initiated by Xavier and continued by the Jesuits led to the continued growth and impact of Christianity. The Christian communities in these regions continued to expand, contributing to the cultural and religious diversity of the area. After St. Francis Xavier's passing, the Jesuit mission in Asia continued, furthering the spread of Christianity. The legacy of Xavier's work and unwavering dedication of subsequent Jesuit missionaries helped the enduring presence of Christianity in the regions he had visited. Thank you for joining me for this episode. The post-Xavier era showcased the continuation and expansion of Christian missions, highlighting the lasting impact of Xavier's pioneering efforts in spreading of the Christian faith.